Wireless meat thermometers deliver the kind of freedom and precision that even the most experienced grillers cannot achieve independently. If you're tired of just winging it or found that your old chef tricks and grilling hacks just aren't cutting it, digital wireless meat thermometers allow you to dial in the precise temperatures you need to cook food evenly and from afar without an ounce of guesswork. There are many products available to choose from. Best wireless meat thermometers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best wireless meat thermometers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Thermopro TP20 Wireless Remote Digital Meat Thermometer. The Thermopro TP20 Wireless Remote Digital Meat Thermometer is an affordable, dead-accurate piece of hardware that provides real-time temperature updates from as far away as 300 feet. Monitor 2 different types of meat at the same time. Or, use one of the sensors to keep tabs on the overall temperature of your grill box while you mingle with guests or prep your sides. All you have to do is set your alarm, and the receiver will flash and beep when your food is ready. When using this item, I found myself wishing that the ports were clearly labeled to indicate leads 1 or 2, but a little common sense always prevails. I like the convenience of having a remote receiver. I only wish that the screen could lock just in case I accidentally bump the interface and change my settings. But these are minor gripes, especially when you consider everything this unit does well. Number 2. Meter Plus Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Meter Plus Wireless Meat Thermometer is an amazing tool and the best meat thermometer ever designed. No more tangled probe lines and newfound freedom to grill and mingle with my guests. Meter claims to have produced the first all-wireless smart meat thermometer on the market, and, as far as I can tell, this is true. Unlike traditional meat thermometers that rely on wire probes, Meter probes are wireless. They're also dishwasher safe. This unit includes 2 sensors in the probe. The dual temperature sensors measure internal meat temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and external temperatures up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit. To use this unit, download the Meter Grilling app on your mobile device, insert your wireless probe, fire up the grill, drop your meat, and get back to the party. The Meter app does everything else for you. Number 3. Inkbird IBBQ 4-tier rechargeable wireless BBQ thermometer. The Inkbird IBBQ 4-tier rechargeable wireless BBQ thermometer is one of the more expensive units on the list, but well worth the price when you consider all that it offers. Because this unit is Wi-Fi ready, you have limitless freedom to roam. Need to prepare sides and sauces in the house? Want to mingle with guests or even make a quick supply run to the corner store? The Inkbird IBBQ 4-tier rechargeable wireless BBQ thermometer gives you the option. Set your 4 probes, fire up the Inkbird Pro app, and choose from 12 preset modes or dial in customized settings that fit your favorite flavor profile. Now you're free to set countdown timers and alarms, calibrate temperatures and monitor temperature graphs from your mobile device. Number 4. Inzu Wireless Digital Meat Thermometer. The Inzu Wireless Digital Meat Thermometer is a no-nonsense piece of hardware that maximizes freedom by allowing you to monitor your food from up to 500 feet away. If that doesn't impress you, consider that this unit includes 4 meat probes and is pre-programmed with 11 USDA-approved temperature settings. No more guessing. No Googling. Just select your ideal temperature setting and walk away knowing that this unit will lock in your temperature with plus 1.8 degrees of accuracy. This unit covers a wide temperature range and will accurately read temperatures as low as 32 degrees Fahrenheit and as high as 572 degrees Fahrenheit. This unit is intuitive and ready to use right out of the box. It doesn't rely on Wi-Fi and doesn't require me to download an app. Number 5. Original Meter Smart Digital Meat Thermometer. The Meter Smart Digital Meat Thermometer is nearly identical to the Meter Plus Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you need a refresher, here is what the original Meter Smart Digital Meat Thermometer gives you. One completely wireless probe and 33 feet of wireless freedom to roam, prepare sides, mingle, or just watch the world go by. The temperature sensors can measure internal meat temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and external temperatures up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit. Use the free Meter app to set up custom alerts for time and temperature, or take advantage of the estimator algorithm, which calculates how long to cook and rest your food. This Wi-Fi thermometer comes with a magnetized bamboo charging dock and a battery that charges up to 100 times. It is also Alexa-enabled, which means you never have to touch your phone with dirty hands. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.